Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for 7th grade. So remember, the activity is listen, copy the question, and answer the question, okay? Listen, copy, and answer the question. Number 1, do you like English? Repeat, do you like English? 2, how are you going to learn English? Repeat. How are you going to learn English? 3. How many hours of English do you listen in your house? Repeat. How many hours of English do you listen in your house? Copy. How many hours of English do you listen in your house? Okay. So how many hours do you listen in your house? 4. What do you do on Sunday? Repeat. What do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? 5. What time do you wake up on Monday? Repeat. What time do you wake up on Monday? 6. What do you do after class? Okay. So repeat. What do you do after class? What do you do after class? Good. What do you do after class? 7. 7. What? So you copy. What do you know about the United States? Repeat. 7. What do you know about the United States? What do you know about the United States? Right? So, what do you know about the United States? 8. Who are your favorite presidents in the United States? Listen, who are your favorite presidents in the United States? 9. 9 is what's your opinion about the president of the United States? Repeat. What is your opinion about the president of the United States? What is your opinion about the president of the United States? And number 10 is who's Barack Obama? Okay? Who's Barack Obama? 10 questions. You copy the questions and you answer the questions. Okay? I don't think so it's problem. Listen the questions and copy the questions. Okay, so you can practice this, and on Monday, one by one, you read and answer for me. Okay, so see you. Bye bye. Take care.